Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to reduce GIF file size without losing quality. I have a GIF right here. I'm just going to right click on it, go to properties, and this is the current file size of my GIF. To reduce that, open up your browser and let's go to freeconvert.com. From here, we are going to head over to tools and select GIF compressor right here. You can then choose your file from your device or the other medium right here. I'm just going to click on from device and I have it on my desktop, and I'm just going to upload my GIF file and click on the gear icon to open up the advanced settings. And for the compression level, we are going to set it to 50. If you need to decrease the file size more, you can also increase it to 75 because it is a good balance between compression and quality. After that, you can go ahead and apply its settings at the bottom right part and click on compress GIF right here. And we are going to wait for a few seconds for the site to compress our GIF file. And as you can see, it saved 48% of the file size from 3.13 MB to 1.60 MB. We're just going to hit on download, and that is the file size of our GIF now. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.